Hey guys, Anthony here with an overview of Reevio Video Maker. I will be creating several Reevio tutorials, but in this video I will walk you through the user interface. When you first log into your Reevio account, you will see a similar screen. Bear in mind that there are different Reevio memberships, so what you see on my screen may be a bit different than yours in terms of video templates. First of all newly added templates will be displayed in this section. And down below you will find templates that you recently rendered. You can preview a specific template by hovering your mouse over it and then clicking the play button on the respective template like so. Right up top, you will see various tabs which are essentially categories of templates. For example, if we go to the Logos tab, it will display all the logo templates. Like I showed you earlier, you can preview a specific template by clicking the play button. To use a specific template, click this Customize button, and you will see this dialog box with details like the duration of the scene, number of scenes, the media that you can use, and some templates have several scenes, and I will show you that in a moment. But in this case, there is only one scene in this template. So if I want to use this template to create the animated logo, I need to click this Customize button. It will then open the editor. I'll name the video project and then click Continue. This here is the canvas area, and this is the preview section. Down below is a timeline where you will see all your scenes, and in this left side bar you will find several tabs. In the Media tab, you can upload your images by clicking this Add button and then dragging and dropping the image here or using this Browse button and then choosing an image, and finally click the Upload Files button. So here is the logo image. You can drag and drop the logo image in the Logo section like so. In the Music tab, you can use the preloaded music or upload your own by using the Add Files button down below. Or even change the preloaded music and use another music clip from the Reevio music library. I'm just going to use the same default music. Also, you can use this fade out button to fade the music at the end of the video if you wish. In the Settings tab, you can add a watermark if you need to by uploading an image. I'm just going to skip this part. And finally, click the Submit Video button to render the video. You will see this message indicating that your video is in the process of rendering, and you can click this Go to My Videos button. As you can see, it is currently rendering. But in the meantime, you can work on another video project if you wish. You will receive an email once the video has been rendered, and if you go back to Reevio under the My Videos section, you will see it there. Let me just scroll down. And here is the rendered video. Below the video, you will see these buttons to delete, favorite, share on social media, download, preview, and duplicate the video. So if you wanted to edit this video project again, click the duplicate button and it will take you to the edit mode, where you can rename the project and start making changes. Let me go back to the main dashboard by clicking the Reevio logo in the top left corner. This time, if I go to the Promo tab, you will see a whole bunch of templates. For example, if I choose this universal template, you will see that it's a bit different from the earlier logo template. As you can see, it has 132 different scenes, and if I click the Customize button, it will take me to Edit mode. I'll give it a name and click Continue. And as you can see, the layout is similar to the earlier logo template, but you'll notice this Add Scene button in the bottom left corner. And if I click on it, you will see all the scenes available. You can then preview each scene and add it to your project by using these buttons for each scene. So I've added a couple of scenes. I can then close out of here, and you will see the added scenes in the timeline below. If I hover my mouse over a specific scene, you will see a Delete and Duplicate button. So I'll delete the first default scene, and now I'm left with 3 scenes in the timeline. If I click on the first scene, you will notice these three text boxes. And if you click on the first text box, you can edit the text and color as I did here. You can also change the background color, add an image or a video by using these buttons here in the top right corner. I'll just add a plain background. I'll choose this one by clicking the Add button and then click Save. So I went ahead and edited the other two scenes with text and a background color. You can also add music in the Music tab like I showed you earlier. And once you're done, click the Submit Video button. If you've missed something, you will get an error message similar to this one. So for example, on this scene, I didn't edit this object color, so I can click on it and choose a color. And once you've successfully edited all scenes, you will see these check marks on each scene in the timeline. You can also rearrange the scenes by dragging and dropping them in the timeline if you wish. And once you're ready, you can click the Submit Video button, and it will start the rendering process. Like I showed you earlier, you can go to the My Videos section to check your rendered video. There is so much more to review, and I will be creating many more tutorials, so feel free to check in. And thanks for watching.